Hey, what's up? It's HabibReshad here, and here we are in the brand new studio. And we are trying to reduce the echo sound in this studio. Well, have you ever seen these foams? These are actually for reducing the echo sound in the studio. Actually, acoustic panels are tiny and they're flimsy, but this is not that much. Well, do they work actually? How they stack against the higher and more premium acoustic panels? So today in this video we are going to find out right now how we can work or how we can install these acoustic panels to our ceiling. After that we are going to test this, then we will see the result. So with that said, roll the intro. Apparently, the foams are very awesome to build a soundproof room or maybe studio. Along with that, the studio design will look fabulous. So let's check out how we can install these foams to the ceiling. And we need these tools to install these foams on the ceiling. And be sure the safety is first and very important. So with that said, get undone.
Let's get undone.
Okay, we need scissor, glue, paper, and obviously the foam. Actually, the hook and loop tabs as well. As per my calculation, we need 12 pieces of these foams for this specific studio. All of them will be placed 15 centimeters away from each of other. Actually, each of them. And I have here already with me the 60 by 60 foam here. So first step, we need to cut many squares shape of the paper with the same and with the hook and loop tape as well. Well, it's important to use a paper with the glue on the foam to apply that on the ceiling. Otherwise, if you directly apply the glue on the foam, it won't be stuck on the ceiling. Well, this is our current studio without the foams. First, we need to apply the glue on the paper. After that, we can apply it on the foam as well. As I mentioned before, we have to add the glue on the paper, then we can tap it on the foam that will be applying on the ceiling as well. So after that, we want to cut out or cut some piece of the look and hook. This is very important in this matter that we are using for this foam to stack it on the ceiling. Well, after finishing the all stuff, we are waiting for drying the glues to the foams, and after that we can apply it on the ceiling. So as you can see here, we are going to take some measurement to place the foams on the ceiling. We have to write down our all calculation in the paper. After that we can apply it on the ceiling as well. Well, it's look like we need 12 of the foams in this studio, in this specific studio on the ceiling. So we will place each of them 50 centimeters away from each of other. So there we go now. So this is the first one which we placed on the ceiling. As you can see, it looks very awesome and good. And after that, we are going to place one by one all of them in the ceiling. Well, it sounds that we are about to end this process, and you can see now it looks very awesome. Especially when you want to design a studio, this is the better way to reduce the echo in the studio. At the meantime, you can design your studio in a perfect way. Wow, it looks amazing. And boom, there we are in the new brand studio, and we are ready with the foams that we are applied on the ceiling. And now you can see the sound is very awesome and perfect. It sounds very well. So with that said, we can test it before the applying with the foams on our ceiling. As we can see, the sound is very bad. So with that said, we are recording to Zoom 005 and roll intro. 1, 2, 3. I think noise. Okay, so you can check the result after this video, as you can watch it right now. So guys, I hope you learned something from this video. The acoustic panels are very important for a studio, that we can make a good and very awesome soundtrack for our video. As you know, the lighting is important for a video, same like that the audio is as well. So with that said, this was the today's video. I hope you guys learned something. Stay tuned for the next video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can go through my website www.creatube.xyz, and you can download your favorite LEDs for your camera: Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K, 6K, or maybe Lumix GH5 or GH4, and as well for the DJI Mavic Pro. So stay creative and stay safe.
Record.